Welcome back to my vlog. This is going to be the second week of my weekly vlogs in 2026. But I'm going to post some other vlogs first. So I don't know when these actually are going to come out, but this is the second vlog of the week. Y'all see me unlashed right now? I took them off. Yesterday was a long, no, not yesterday, Thursday was a long, stressful day. And then it kind of just continued into the next day. So, well, actually the week was kind of stressful. But it just kind of boiled over into yesterday. And so we didn't do anything yesterday. I literally rotted on the couch. And I've never needed to rot on the couch longer than I needed to rot on the couch, or better, or more than I needed to rot on the couch yesterday. But today we're gonna do some stuff we normally would have done probably yesterday. Like, well, we're gonna take him to his class, but then we're also going to the grocery store, maybe get something to eat. Yeah, so come along with us on our day, our Saturday. I'm gonna try to post these on Saturday. I'll start these on Saturdays and post these on Fridays. Although I didn't post one yesterday. But I just told y'all why I wouldn't be posting it.
My bad. Good to you.
This is the most chaotic opening to a vlog that I've probably ever seen. But I think I'm going to leave it, because why not? You say good morning.
Good morning.
Wes, you say good morning? Say hi.
Working on those high fives?
How y'all be vlogging in the rain? Because my hands are freezing. It's cold in the store. I had no content from the grocery store. Maybe at Wegmans. We'll see. Maybe it'll be warmer in there. We made it into Dick's. We made it into Dick's. Charles has had a gift card for probably the last couple years. Oh, I want to look at the cups. But yeah, Charles has had a gift card for the last who knows how long. And he finally decided that today, in the rain, this is when he was going to spend it. So, here we are. I don't know what it is he's getting from out of here. But I'm going to look at the cups. I'm not a Stanley girl. I'm a hydro jug girl. I like these. I actually think I like this better because it's small. My hand fits around it. And then it still has a straw and I can tuck it away. This is a 20 ounce. Oh, no. I like this one better. Definitely me. I don't know. 20 ounce. I don't think, because it says wide mouth straw cap bottle. I don't know. None of those on that picture look like these, so I don't think those are the prices for these. But yeah, I like this one. And then I also like this, but I don't, well, it's the same size. It's still 20 ounces. It's just a handle instead of, oh, they have this one in a handle too. That's helpful that they have all of the different styles in the same. They don't have like a website on the website where you can just scan it and then like see what it is. No. That one says Stanley's. This one says, what are these? Oh, those are like cozies.